Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. And guys, I have to apologize again for the lighting of this video. I am using my webcam, and I thought to myself, I don't have a quality device where it can take good quality YouTube videos yet, because my phone is much better, to be honest, than this quality, but my phone is charging at the moment, so obviously I can't do the video on my phone, so I'm going to do it on here. Okay, in advance I do again apologize for the lighting, apologize for the quality. It is very shit quality, but I hope you can hear me at least what I'm saying, and hopefully take what I'm saying on board. Okay, that being said, I'm going to get into the video. So today what I'm going to be talking about is a very interesting product that I just recently found, and it's on the Warrior Forum. It's called Ministry of Freedom. Okay, Ministry of Freedom. Now, if you haven't checked this product out and you don't know much about it, in this video I'll give you a brief understanding of what this product is and how it works and everything. So I watched the webinar, and if you want to watch the webinar, you can click the link in the video in the description box, and it will basically tell you more information. But basically, in a nutshell, so it's basically a course, yeah, but not only a course, it also has built in a traffic rotator, or basically when you join up, you get this course that teaches you how you can leverage or piggyback off of product launches. Okay, now if you don't know what product launches is, it's very simple. It's just products that are launching and that are very new in the market, that you can literally, basically any launch has a lot of buzz, a lot of traffic around that, and people are searching for it. The first thing that people search before they buy a product is for the product name, usually on YouTube. Okay, so people want to know reviews on YouTube before they actually purchase the product. Okay, so basically what this course teaches is how you can piggyback off of these launches, because there are launches that are always constantly coming out in the market. Okay, specifically make money online courses. Okay, that's what we're talking about. So what you're doing is you pick a course to then do a review on YouTube. Okay, also he mentions about a certain software or a tool that he uses to rank those videos. So not only are you doing a review on that product, but you're also ranking your videos so people can see the video. Okay, because there's no point in doing a review if no one can see it. Okay, so I actually also have a very powerful tool. If you go back to my other videos, I speak about how you can actually rank your videos within minutes, not even using backlinking. But in this specific case, we're going to talk about backlinking, because that's what that's what product he has. So I don't know if he has it in, but he talks about it, recommends that tool. It's a backlinking tool that basically builds backlinks for your YouTube video and then gets it ranked pretty fast. Okay, so backlinking is always good. It's been, people have been backlinking for years, and that's how they SEO optimize their websites. Okay, so so he talks about finding these product launches on a website called, finding these new product launches on a website called muncheye.com. So basically when you go to muncheye.com, it will pull up for you a list of all of these product launches that launches are coming out, and basically that's the hype. That's people are hyping up about it. They want to know more information about it, and usually those people that are hyped up about it are usually buyers that are ready to buy the product, or they want to buy the product, but they want more usually before people buy a product, they want more information, so they search it on YouTube. Okay, that's just how it is. So if you can get in front of that audience, then you're making, you could potentially be making money. And that's what he was claiming. He shows proof in his webinar, which I watched, which is very, very interesting, actually, very interesting information. But he shows that you know, newbies are making money, and he's, you know, he can literally make money with these videos consistently, like over time, you know, over 6 months he's still making money, 1 year still making money on these videos that are for free, completely for free. Okay, now you know, again, I do actually touch upon this method in my other videos of, you know, ranking on YouTube for specific keywords and being able to sell your affiliate products or sell a product to make money ultimately. Yeah, and that's basically what he's doing in a nutshell. But what keywords you want to go for is the product name itself. I also speak about that, about how you can do that with affiliate marketing and Amazon and all of that. But what I really like about this method is that he's not doing Amazon. So this is related to selling digital products from things like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. And the reason why we want to be selling on these kind of sites is because that's where you make the most money. And that's what he was saying. Basically, you make a 50% commission. So if a product was $600, you would make $300. But sometimes you even make more than 50%. Sometimes you're making 70%. Okay. So that's a lot of money, and that's a big commission. And you only need a few commissions to be making a considerable amount of money a month. Okay, on one video, even depending on how much traffic it's getting, but it's still going to make you money. Okay, now he also, okay, so that's the free method, but in the course itself he does touch upon a few points like mindset, you know, personal development and all of that, getting your mindset having a success mindset, but also he touches upon a few other methods like how to really boost your videos by using Google AdWords, or you know, for your YouTube ads, to really boost your YouTube ads. Boost your videos using YouTube ads. Okay, that's basically what he talks about, and how he turned $22,000 into, I think it was $85,000 or pounds. I'm not sure if it was dollars or pounds, but in a nutshell, you get my point. So what he was saying is that every pound was making about £4 back, which is pretty cool, you know. So now the other thing that I find very interesting is he was talking about how you can build an email list and how you can literally generate income by just like literally copy and paste email that's going to take you about 5 seconds to do. Okay, and basically what he was saying is that if you launch a product that's you're not even doing yourself, so basically what he does is he gets a product done for him, and then he goes to Munch Eye, just the same website that we go to promote products, okay, or to find products to promote. And what he does, he goes to Munch Eye and he creates a product on Munch Eye, and then he basically that's the way he builds his list, because when people sign up to Munch Eye to get more notifications on the product, people are going to be signing up. Okay, so people are going to be signing up, wanting to know more information about your product, but that's how he's building his list. And then once you have your list, you can literally go to products that you are promoting on Munch Eye, okay, and get the email swipe and basically copy and paste the email swipe to your list, and that's basically how you make money. He also has a rotator. So basically what he does is when he promotes any product on YouTube, or when he promotes any product, instead of taking them to his affiliate link, what he's doing is he's taking them to the rotator. So he takes them to the rotator, and then basically the rotator gives them all of the emails that basically his members' email. So basically when you get signed up, I know that sounds a bit confusing, guys, but basically in a nutshell, yeah, let me just make it as simple as possible. So okay, so once you become a member, you get access to the rotator. The rotator basically, you send any emails to that rotator, and it basically gets blasted to all of his list. You know, in kind of that's how it is, I think. So basically, you're using his list to email, and basically they basically end up buying from you. I think that's how it works. But yeah, in a nutshell, this is really awesome, guys. And you know, just by watching the webinar, you can seriously take information from that and really apply it to your YouTube channel and start making money with it. I mean, it's a no-brainer. So basically what he was saying is, you go to Munch Eye, okay? Munch Eye gives you a whole bunch of lists of different products that are going to be launching. Now, this is a really old method, guys. A lot of people have been doing this. This is a very old method I've known for a long time. Piggybacking off of JV launches. That's what it is, okay? So what you're doing is, you're going to iMunch. You're finding a product that is literally about to launch within the next 2 weeks or whatever. And then you do a review on that product, okay? You know, if you don't have the product, you can either buy the product, or you can ask the vendor to give you a copy of that product, okay? Go through the product, you know, read it, or go through the videos or whatever kind of format it's in. And then what you want to do is, you simply promote it on your YouTube channel, okay? And use tools and methods and strategies to rank your video on the first page, so that all that traffic is now going to come to you, okay? I hope that makes sense. But you know, it's a very powerful method, and it's a very easy, fast way to make money. And you know, there's nothing but value in that webinar that he shared. I did have a bit of problem with my internet, because recently my internet has been really slow and playing up, and that's been really freaking bugging me. But you know, watching the webinar, it was just really lagging on, like, you know, like, I really enjoyed every bit. But you know, when you're getting like into the webinar, and then every time it just keeps freezing, it can be very frustrating. But anyway, that's about it for this video. It is a very interesting webinar. So just I highly recommend that you sign up to that free webinar in the link below this video, and you can basically see it for yourself of what he was saying. And just by watching that webinar alone, you can get a lot of information from that webinar. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in more videos. Take care.